Good morning, all of you. We will continue with the civics chapter, elements of judicial structure. Now, we have already completed this chapter, and if you remember, in the chapter we talked about two types of cases. What are the two types of cases we talked about?
Ma'am, civil cases and criminal cases.
Okay. What type of cases would you call as criminal and as civil?
Ma'am, in criminal cases, it's murder, theft,
Okay.
etc.
And civil cases?
Ma'am, property.
Property, then
Contracts.
right? Then divorce, I told you, guardianship. Now they all fall under civil cases. Okay, so during the course of this chapter, we studied of the what is the role of the police in this and what is the role of the courts in this. We studied about as to who is a public prosecutor, what is the role of the public prosecutor. Then we also studied about the FIR. What is FIR?
Ma'am, first information report.
First information report.
Okay, first information report of what? First information report of?
Crime.
Okay, of a crime. First information report of a crime that has been committed. Who files the FIR? Means yes. Okay. Who can file the FIR? What do you think? I gave you the example also, like when we were doing this chapter, I told you that, for example, if my house has been robbed, so who will go to file the FIR?
Ma'am, police.
FIR. The FIR is filed in by the police. They will file. But who will go to them?
Ma'am, who is being robbed?
Alright. So the aggrieved party goes, or we can also call the aggrieved party can also go, or any other one can also go on behalf of that person. So that person would be called as a complainant, the person who goes to register a complaint. So either aggrieved person, the person who has been aggrieved, means on whom the particular crime has been committed, or even any other person can go. Okay. Then where do we file the FIR? Yes. So, like if my house has been robbed, where will I go to file the FIR?
Ma'am, police station. Ma'am, police station.
Okay. Which police station? Like if I stay in, for example, Thakurganj. If I stay in Thakurganj area, so where will I go?
Ma'am, Thakurganj police station.
Okay, but
Ma'am, Thakurganj police station.
okay, right. So ideally, the FIR should be lodged in the police station under whose jurisdiction, means under whose area of authority the crime has been committed. But the FIR can be filed in any other police station also. Like for example, I might not be at my home at that time. I may not be in that area, and if I get to know about robbery or theft has been committed in my house, so if I'm any other area, I can go to that police station also, or someone else can go on my behalf in any other police station, and then it becomes a responsibility of that particular police station to forward this information to the concerned police stations. For example, if I register this complaint in Hazratganj police station, so it becomes a responsibility of the Hazratganj police station to pass on this information to the Thakurganj police station. Is that clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we also studied, that the FIR is very important. Why do you think the FIR is such an important document? Why it is such an important document? What do you think? Yes. Why is the FIR such an important?
Ma'am,
Yes,
because
beta. Yes, beta.
after filing FIR, police will not take action. Police
Okay.
cannot take any action.
Right, good. Because on the basis of the FIR, the police they will start investigation. Now, till the time the FIR is not filed in, the police they will not do anything. So, only on the basis of the FIR, the police they will start investigation. So, that is why it is a very important document. Okay, now it is very important because, like I told you, on the basis of that only the police starts investigation. Now, what if the police officer on duty he says no, I will not file the FIR? Then what we can do?
Ma'am, then we can message to superintendent of police.
Okay, so then we can send it in writing to the superintendent of police. Okay, we can send it to the superintendent of police, or we can also file a case in the court under whose jurisdiction this has happened, or we can also make a complaint to the Human Rights Commission, the State Human Rights Commission, or to the National Human Rights Commission. If the police they say that okay, we will not file the FIR. So if it is denial of filing the FIR on the part of the police officer on duty, then we can do all this. Okay. So that was the chapter. I hope all of you have understood it. Now let's do the exercises. Okay. First, fill in the blanks. Page number 250. You can turn your books to page number 250. First, the maintenance of law and order is the most important function of the
Ma'am, judiciary.
judiciary. Law and order. See the first line. Check the first line of the chapter.
Government.
Government. And who helps the government to do this?
Police.
Two bodies we have, the police and the judiciary. So it is the responsibility of the government. So write government. Next, police keeps a close watch on dash elements.
Antisocial
Elements, right. Third, the dash cannot refuse to register the complaint.
police
Police. So you can either write the police cannot refuse, or even if you write the police officer, both are correct. Okay, the police cannot refuse to register the complaint. The dash at the district headquarters is an officer of the Indian Police Services.
SP.
Give the full name, full form.
Superintendent of police.
Right, superintendent of police, right? The superintendent of police at the district headquarters. Superintendent, SUPERINTENDENT, superintendent of police. Okay, next, true or false? The Supreme Court hears appeals against the courts.
True.
Okay. What type of jurisdiction is that called? When through appeals we can take cases from the lower courts to the higher courts. What type of jurisdiction is that? Anyone? The Supreme Court is said to have, yes, beta?
appellate
Good. Appellate
Appellate
jurisdiction.
jurisdiction.
Yes, correct. FIR means first information report.
True.
Okay.
True.
Supreme Court hears the appeals of the one who breaks the rules.
True.
Appeal. Who makes the appeal?
Ma'am, false.
False. Who makes the appeal?
Ma'am, false.
In terms of criminal cases, it is always the police who files the charge sheet. Alright. So it is always the police who is filing a case against the accused. They have, freedom to present themselves, and so that they also have the freedom to hire an advocate, and which can help them to prove that they are not guilty, but still it will always be the police who files the case. So false. Many criminal cases are settled out of court.
False.
False. Criminal cases
False.
are settled out of court. Okay.
False.
Murder is an example of a criminal case.
True.
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 All right. Correct.
True.
Match the following columns. Public prosecutor,
Gazetted officer.
gazetted officer.
Gazetted officers.
Right. Officer of the Indian Police Services. It is not office, it should be officer. Officer of the Indian Police Services.
Superintendent of police.
Right. Superintendent of
Superintendent of police.
Superintendent of police.
police. Right. Complaint lodged with the police.
First
FIR.
information report.
First information.
FIR.
Okay, first information report. Now let's mark the answers. What are civil and criminal cases? Now for this you turn to page 241. Turn to page 241. Though this is the previous chapter, but the answer you will get here. Page 241, the first paragraph, the last 5 lines. You have already marked for this for a different answer. Can you see that? The cases that come to the court are of 2 types.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And mark till the end of the paragraph, that is come under civil cases. Next is give 2 examples each of civil and criminal cases. I think this you can do on your own.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then what is FIR? What is FIR? Which page? Page 248.
248.
Yes, come to page 248 under the heading first information report. Mark what is given under that. It is only 2.5 lines. As it is the first information that is received by the police officer till it is called as the first information report. Mark that. Then we have who is a public prosecutor. Come to page 247. Page 247 under the heading role of the public prosecutor. First paragraph, the first sentence. Public prosecutors are gazetted officers. Till the next line, to keep the society free from crimes. To keep the society free from crimes. Mark there. Marked all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright.
Ma'am, please tell second one.
Second beta, you just simply have to give examples. 2 examples each of civil cases and criminal cases. I think that you can do. That we have already
Okay.
discussed.
Yes.
Huh. Next, long answer. What are the important functions of the police? Important functions of the police. Page number 248. Under the heading role of the police, come to the last line of the paragraph. Following are the important functions of the police. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright.
Yes, ma'am.
And mark all the 5 points. So your answer will end at investigate cases and produce the culprits in courts. All these 5 points from maintaining law and order. First you will give a statement that following are the important functions and then write all these 5 functions. Marked all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Next, what is the importance of FIR? Now this you will get on page 249. Page 249. Importance of FIR. See the first heading on this page, importance of FIR. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The FIR is an important document till might prove fatal for the victim. So mark the whole thing under that paragraph, under that particular heading. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, what is the role of a public prosecutor? Role of a public prosecutor. Which page?
Ma'am, 247.
247 and 248.
Ma'am, 247.
Both? Okay.
Yes.
So, This we will mark from page 248. 247 public prosecutor, that we have already done. Now here we have to mark the role. So we will mark from page 248. The first paragraph, the first new paragraph on this page. The public prosecutor is required to play an impartial and neutral role. Got that line?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Mark till the second line, that is charge sheeted by the police. Mark till charge sheeted by the police. This will be your first point. We will write this particular answer in points. So this is your first point. Come to the last paragraph of this heading. The next paragraph. This is your second point. The public prosecutor is expected to place all evidences in his possession before the court. This is second point. Continue with the third one. During the investigation stage and till is in control of the proceeding. Till in control of the proceedings. That is your third point. Then continue with the fourth one. After the charge sheet has been filed in. It is not piled in, it is filed in. F-I-L-E-D. So this is your fourth point. After the charge sheet has been filed in the court, the public prosecutor takes over. That is the fourth point. And the last sentence is the fifth point. Both play a complementary role in the judicial system. This is your fifth point.
Ma'am, please repeat the answer.
Yes, beta. Which point?
Ma'am, from the starting.
Alright. Page 248. The first new paragraph, starting with the public prosecutor is required. We will write this answer point wise. So this is your first point. The public prosecutor is required to play till the next line, that is charge sheeted by the police. This is your first point. Come to the next paragraph. The first line, the public prosecutor is expected to place all evidences. This is your second point. Till before the court. From the next line, you have the third point. That is during the investigating stage. Till the next line, that is in control of the proceedings. That is your third point. Continuing with your fourth point, after the charge sheet has been filed in the court, the public prosecutor takes over. Till there, it is your fourth point. And then the last statement, the last sentence is your fifth point. Both play a complementary role in the judicial system. That is your fifth point. Fifth and final point. Marked?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Alright. And now the last one. What are the Supreme Court directions on the FIR? Supreme Court directions on the FIR. Which page?
Ma'am, 249.
Okay, page 249. Under the heading Supreme Court's directives on not accepting FIR by the police. We'll start from the first paragraph. On February 22nd, 2006, the Supreme Court held that police cannot refuse to register an FIR or formal complaints simply on the basis of doubts of credibility of the complaint received. Then the Supreme Court has directed that the police must register the complaint of the person, and the police, they cannot refuse to register a first information report. Mark the whole first paragraph and come to the third paragraph. Mark that also. 2 lines are there only. The bench quoted an earlier decision and said it is mandatory for a police officer to register a complaint of a cognizable offence, that the police could not prejudge the issue. Mark till prejudge the issue. So this completes your last answer, last wrong answer. What are the Supreme Court directions on the FIR? So this completes your chapter. Have all of you marked all the exercises and all the question answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Alright. So I hope you have completed your history chapter. Yes? No? Or still pending?
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
still not done?
I'm completed.
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. Okay, very soon I will ask you to show it to me also. So now this chapter is complete. Finish off the question answers in your fair copies, and from the next time we
Ma'am,
meet,
ma'am.
we will- yes beta? Yes?
Ma'am, please repeat the fill in the blanks first one.
Fill in the blank.
Ma'am, fill in the blanks first one.
First one is the maintenance of law and order is the most important function of the, yes,
Government.
Government.
Ma'am, government.
Alright, government. Okay, done beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. Okay, so that would be all for today. And when we meet again, then we will continue with, or we will start a new history chapter.